Good morning, traders. Nick Massandrea, Market Tea Leaders, here to bring out a daily market bias video for Friday, September 4th. It's the last trading day before the Labor Day holiday. If we were to take a look at the overnight session in Asia, Asia traded completely to the downside with no exchange really trading in positive territory. Currently, right now in Europe, the same holds true for Europe as well, as Europe is open and trading and all the exchanges are trading lower. If we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, currencies in terms of US dollars trading lower. Energies in terms of crude is also trading lower. There is no correlation between the US dollar and crude as this is broadcast. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading higher. In fact, it looks as though they're going into the next stratosphere, if you will, because they're all trading completely higher. And the indices themselves in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average, all pointing to a lower open. Metals basically is trading slightly lower, fractionally lower. There is no fear factor, if you will, in terms of the precious metals markets as this broadcast. Now, in terms of economic news we have on the docket today, today also happens to be Jobs Friday. So we are going to have at 8:10, we're going to have an FOMC member speaking. Of course, we have absolutely no idea what they're going to say. But above and beyond that, because it is Jobs Friday, we do have non-farm employment change in terms of number of net new jobs created in the United States, as well as the unemployment rate, as well as the average hourly earnings. Obviously, these are all major reports and proven market movers. The impact of this report is also, I think, going to weigh very heavily in terms of whether or not the Fed decides to hike interest rates later on this month or not. All this being said, basically our bias is neutral, and we are maintaining a neutral bias very simply because it is Jobs Friday. And traditionally speaking, historically speaking, we always maintain a neutral bias on this day. Why? Because the markets have never shown any sense of normalcy on either Jobs Friday or FOMC day. Hence, our bias is neutral. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything can happen in a volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you. And I wish you and yours a very happy Labor Day holiday.